Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is the face behind this beautiful channel. I know I've not shown my face. This is my first time showing my face on this channel because I waited patiently for this. So I'm a very camera shy person. That is why I've not been able to show my face in my previous videos. Okay, so but now for today's video I needed to come out myself to show my face to you guys. So thank you for joining my channel once again, and if you're a new subscriber, you're just seeing this channel for the first time, you're always welcome. In this channel we build a community where we teach everything makeup. We don't gatekeep. We answer all questions in the comment section. You can check my previous video to observe that yourself. And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are my main G. Like, you guys keep returning to my channel to watch my videos, you keep sharing it, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button after watching this video. So in today's video, we'll be talking about the differences between the setting spray and a fixing spray. So I see a lot of you guys make mistakes of setting spray and a fixing spray. So in my book here, I wrote the differences so that it will be like a reminder, and it will help me remember some things in case I forget. So I wrote here differences between setting spray and a fixing spray. So first of all, before I start, I would want you to understand what a setting spray is and what a fixing spray actually is. So a setting spray is a product that helps you to set your makeup to give either a dewy or a matte finishing. It can also give a natural finish, and it will help to make your makeup look more polished and harmonized. Okay, so setting spray can be used in between your makeup. You can use setting spray in between your makeup. For example, I'm doing a makeup, and I already, before I applied foundation, I can set the products that I use, like the skin prep I use, I can set them into place and apply foundation on it. Then after applying my foundation, I can also set my foundation to help it to fight shines within the day. Like, maybe if you're the type that always have shines all over your face after you're done with your makeup, so setting spray will help you to fight it, to prevent long wear shines on your skin. So after applying foundation, you can also apply setting spray on it before you go ahead and go into your concealer. So even after applying concealer, you can apply setting spray on it. So as you're doing this process, I bet you your makeup is going to last all day. So this is what setting spray does. It sets your makeup. It sets your makeup, and it also give that polish look, makes your makeup feel like skin. You just help you keep that shine away from your skin. So you can apply setting spray in between your makeup to avoid unwanted shine throughout the day. So if you want a radiant finish, like you want a polished skin, a radiant finish after your makeup, you want your makeup looking classy, you can apply setting spray. You can opt for setting spray, apply that, so you can use that in between your makeup and after your makeup. But please note that setting spray does not hold makeup. No, it does not hold makeup. It can hold your makeup for a while, but it does not make, like, it does not hold makeup for a longer time. Like, you're working on a bride, and you know that brides, they sweat, they they dance, they do a lot of activities during their wedding. So if you apply just setting spray on their skin, there's no way you won't go back to touch up that bride's face. Why? Because you used only a setting spray, and this is just to set the makeup into the skin to make it feel like skin. I don't know if you guys understand what I just stated. So it only sets this makeup to make this makeup feel like skin. So that is what basically setting spray does. So the setting spray also helps to vanish a lot of excess powder. So if you watch my previous videos, you will know that each time I'm setting, I use this particular setting spray on my record. It's a Nigerian brand, so I use that a lot to set, because immediately you apply that setting spray on the skin, it just vanishes the powder, vanishes the whitish product on your skin. Like, it just make your makeup feel like skin. So that is what setting spray does. Then it gives a radiant finish. Then we'll now move into a fixing spray. So a fixing spray, it is like it works with durability. A fixing spray helps to fix your makeup. From the word fixing, it fixes your makeup, allows your makeup to stay longer on the skin, and it's very good with bridal jobs. Like if you're working on a bride, even if you're doing makeup on yourself, and you know you're going to be having a lot of activities that day, so it's best to apply a fixing spray after your makeup. So in my book, I wrote here that a fixing spray is all about durability, keeping your makeup intact and resistant to such adversity as heat, humidity, or just for a long hour wearing. So if you want your makeup to stay throughout the day, you should opt for you should opt for a fixing spray. So always use a fixing spray after your makeup. You don't use fixing spray in between makeup just like the setting spray. No, you do that after you're done with your makeup. So it's just like a sealing spray. It does not allow your makeup to move at all. So you just keep that in mind, that always apply fixing spray, like always spray fixing spray after your makeup. I'll be showing you guys example of what I just said about the setting spray and a fixing spray. So keep on watching. So guys, I'm back, and I'll be using these two products. I'll be testing with these two products. This is a fixing spray and this is a setting spray. So I will test them to show you example of what I was discussing earlier in my video. So I would apply a foundation at the back of my hand. I had to move this stuff closer to me so that I can use them, like stretch my hand and use them. So I'll be applying a foundation at the back of my hand and spray the setting spray first, then use a cotton pad to dry up to show you what actually I was discussing, like an example of it. So for today, I'll be using this foundation. It's blot foundation, and I'll just apply a very little at the back of my hand. So I'm going to just use my hand to blend the foundation into my skin. So if you see what I'm doing, okay. So I just blended the foundation into my skin. Then I'll take this setting spray, the Morph setting spray. So this Morph setting spray is a continuous setting mist. So I'm going to spray it. Then this is my mini hand fan. So I'll be drying up the spray with my mini hand fan, because you're going to dry up your setting spray. Like as you're applying setting spray, you're layering your product. You're applying setting spray as you apply your product. So once you apply a setting spray, use your hand fan to just dry up a bit. Make sure it is dried. Okay, we good. So I'll use a cotton pad. I'll use this cotton pad. I'll just pat into the skin. So you can see the particles of the makeup, like on this. You can see the particles of the makeup. It lifted the makeup. It didn't lift the makeup, but it didn't hold the makeup. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to illustrate. So I use this cotton pad to press into our skin gently, into my skin gently. And look at what we got. So what setting spray does is just to set your makeup and, you know, prevent shines throughout the day, and also make your makeup feel like skin, like it will diffuse your makeup into skin. That is what setting spray does. Look at it. So now I would wipe this hand, apply foundation again, and apply the fixing spray. I'm going to wipe it off. My hand is clean. I wiped off the, then I'll go back to the foundation again. So I'm going to pat into the skin again. Then Sopro didn't pay me for this. Oh. I'm only using this particular product to explain a fixing spray. So this is not a form of advert. You can use other fixing spray like the Caroline setting spray, if I'm correct. I've used that before and I've used it personally and it worked perfectly well for me. So this is just a dupe for Caroline. That was why I opted for this, and this is affordable to Caroline. Then I've used what was it called? One size two is a very good fixing spray. Like it's written there, I think setting spray, but what I feel like holds your makeup is a fixing spray. Okay. So this one is a dupe for Caroline. Caroline setting spray. Caroline setting spray. I don't know how to call it. If that's what it's called, then fine. So this is not an advert. I'm not paid for advertising. I'm only trying to show example to you guys, like illustrate what I am saying. So I'll go ahead and spray. I'm trying to take my face off because you are advised to seize your breath while spraying. Did I even spray well? Okay. So I'll go ahead to use my alpha, and I added a lot of okay, I think it's dried. Then I'll go back to my cotton pad. So I'm using a clean cotton pad now, and I'll pat on it the same way I patted on the fixing spray, on the setting spray rather. So I just pat on it, press it in. I don't know if you're seeing my skin. So you see guys, no transfer. So what setting spray, fixing spray rather does, it does not transfer your makeup. It just fixes your makeup in one place. It does not allow your makeup to move. No, your makeup is going to stay till throughout the day till you're ready to take it off. So fixing spray does not move your makeup. It holds your makeup for a very long hour throughout the day. So if you ask me, like you guys want to ask, can I just get fixing spray? No, you need both. You need a setting spray and you also need a fixing spray. Which one comes first? Setting spray comes first before fixing spray. So you can't use a fixing spray in between your makeup. No, you can only use setting spray in between your makeup, but you can't use a fixing spray in between your makeup. Fixing spray is only done when you are done with your makeup. Like you don't have to do anything anymore on the skin, then you go ahead and fix the spray. So guys, thank you for watching this far. Thank you for watching this video. So if you have any question, please drop in the comment section. If you want me to recreate any look, drop in the comment section. And if you have anything you want me to talk about, still drop in the comment section. Okay, so I'll be in the comment section scrolling through the comments to see what you guys have to say about this video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye.